What are some of the other pre-writing activities aside from the many brainstorming activities we have discussed? Well, we can ask our students to do the following. First, research work. This means that the student gathers data from primary and secondary sources. The data gathered will certainly serve as input for composition writing. Second, review a movie or a television show. Be sure to give students some guidelines before viewing any show. This way, the students are somehow given a focus. Third, make students go on a field trip or on an educational tour to places of interest. This will certainly afford students with a lot of input for composition writing. There are many more ways to prepare our students for writing. One very important thing to remember, though, is the fact that we have to give them learning activities in and outside of the classroom. These activities will certainly equip students with adequate input which they can use in composition writing. We learned that, 1, the process approach focuses on process rather than on product. 2, there are several pre-writing techniques which can adequately prepare students for composition writing, one of which is brainstorming. Brainstorming means storming the brain for ideas. It may come in 2 forms, namely individually or intrapersonally, and in groups or interpersonally. In turn, individual brainstorming comes in varying forms, and these are clustering, mapping, cubing, and looping. In the next episode, we shall take up the other stages of the process approach. So, once again, this is your host, Menchie Pascual, saying goodbye and happy teaching.